at Hair's Talent, and I'm about to go get this Gina Curl that everyone has been hyping up about on YouTube. I've been watching tons and tons of videos, and I really need one because I have been a natural for 6 years, and I've gone through the struggle. Love-hate relationship with my hair. Love it when it's doing well and it's thriving, and I can make cute little hairstyles, but the hate part, the detangling, I don't even want to say like it's just tangly. It's matted. My hair is not getting to the length that I want. I have gotten breakage. Just came up to get this done, and then I'm back on the road once I'm finished. So I have about 15 minutes, and I'm going in to see Gina. Let her work her magic, because she's going to be my curl whisperer or my curl slayer today. I was greeted by both Gina and Gianna, and Gianna washed and detangled my hair. After the chemicals were applied and taken care of, that's when Gina put the rods in my hair, and we discussed my products, and then she learned I used Hex-Lax. That must have been very horrifying. She was very upset. I was too. I was thinking like a little girl, my goodness, my hair is going to fall out. I did not know what was going to happen. But luckily, after a while, everything worked out.
Shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, make sure that it's moisturizing. There's no protein. I don't want you to use any protein in this hair. My fingers right through your hair.
As you can see, the mood changed to a much more better mood for everybody. Gina was happy for me, and I was excited. You could see my smile from cheek to cheek. I love the curls and the results, and I'm just feeling myself right now. As you can see, we did photos afterwards, and it was very, very nice. I love my experience, and I definitely want to come back. I can't wait to see them again. These are the products that I purchased from the shop, the Milbon collection, and also the other one. I received less breakage in my first wash. As you can see, this is my curls. This is the second wash, a little ball of hair there. And these are my current products that I've been trying to see if they work.